I'm Lyric Lass.
And I'm London Westy.
And this is Cache Canada.
We're in the land of enchantment.
The beautiful state of New Mexico.
And we're here to find a cache across America geocache. Let's go get it. Is it in the bush or behind the bush? And we're joined with, read my lips, and Tycoon Auto and his not so muggle wife. All right. Woohoo! Official geocache.
There
it is. All
I
right.
need the code from inside.
Okay.
So I have a collection of codes.
It's not in the lid. Must be in the log.
Right.
Whenever you find a cache across America geocache, you have to remember to look under the lid or on the logbook for the code that you need to write down so you can find the final. And also, you need to remember to take your photo with the cache container. That's right, that's a requirement for this series. And back she goes for other people to find. Woohoo! Well, thanks for joining us on this Cache Across America geocache.
We got New Mexico.
And check the links below and up here for more information on how you can find more geocaches from Cache Across America.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Hey, where would geocaching take you?